Okay, so the first box we have Simon's stamp. So the first thing we have watercolor panels. It has plants, thinking of you, and then we have a ribbons. So they'll love you. Sorry if I'm not focused, so I can put it here so you can see better. Then we have a layered stencil, and this one called Holiday Damask. Fun pattern. Then I used to have this one called Green Hop Hands. So cute. A stencil, cloud and rainbow stencil. A Holy Star stencil. Animal print stencil. There are 2 stencils here. We have another stencil, this one called Mini Cloud and Mask stencil. This is new. Oh, it's my first time seeing this stencil called Hearts a Bloom stencil. Also, it's a layered stencil. Then we have a die called Slay Every Day. You and Me ticket die. Balloon die, hard balloon die. Foliage circle die. Rhythm link. Then we have here angelic. Giant hug card wrap. Then we have positivity, everything tool, blue, green, yellow, and black. Wow. I think I have 2 of these. Okay, so then we have emboss and cut. Embossing folder, it comes with a die. We have here Tim Holt's Ideology. This is Season Greetings, Merry Christmas. An embossing folder called Diamond Pattern. Mosaic Tulip. Embossing folder. Then we have 3D embossing folder, this one called Refracted. This is embossing with a die. This one called Dandy Floral. And then we have Magnolia Branches. Simon's stamp. This is Sunshine Ink. This one called Layered Pixie Flower. This is also layered stencil. It's huge. Then we have 3 of Distress Glaze, green, yellow, and I think it's a brown. Okay, let's see. And we have these mugs, also by Tim Holtz. For the stamp, we have this stamp set called Plant Sentiment. Then a background stamp, quilted. Then we have this one called a Sweet Tooth Bears. I wish this comes with die. Then finally we have a very large background stamp, $20. And this one called a Scroll Flourish. Okay, so here is everything I got in my box. Not necessary. I like this stuff. Most of them are not my style. I like this one, but I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna use my scan and cut, or maybe I'll just stash it. I don't know. I will keep. No, I will keep maybe this, the embossing folder. No, I believe I have this one. No. Maybe I will keep this. I have something similar. No. Nope. Okay, I will keep this one. Positivity. I have already 2. Maybe I will keep one for my makeup brushes. Nope. This one looks beautiful, but nah. Okay. I have tickets die. Okay, guys, so here's the box. It's fun, you know, to have, you know, to do unboxing for mystery boxes. So it's worth it, absolutely. It's $60 plus $8 for shipping. The tax is like $30 or something because I ordered another stuff, which I'm gonna show you, but in a different video. So I'm gonna keep these 4 items, and these will go to my stash box. Okay, so let's move to next mystery box. Okay, so next mystery box is from Fawn, and this was a grab bag also. Okay, Jimmy, don't make a mess, please.
Can I have it?
Yes, you can.
Yay! But first, let me finish the video.
You want me to finish the video first? Okay, I don't want them. I'm gonna remove them.
Yay!
Okay.
One eternity later.
The first thing in my grab bag is a washi tape. It's a foil washi tape. Then next, there is a fruit salad paper pad. The second paper pad called Strips and Sprinkles. The third paper pad called Pin Size Patterns. Cute. Another washi tape. Oh, this is Hedgehog. Happy Hedgehog washi tape. I'm not sure why my camera's not focusing today. Then, there are 4 note or mini notebooks. Clouds and rainbow. Okay, then a stencil, and this one called a heart wreath stencil. Fawn double-sided tape. For the stamp, I got this stamp, and this one called what? Porcupine U add-on. The second stamp set, You Are a Keeper. Last but not least, Frosty's stamp. Okay, so this everything in my grab bag. I think this grab bag was $50. Not bad. Again, not necessary. I'm gonna keep everything. Maybe the paper. I don't know. Anyway, let me show you what did I order from them also with my package. So this is a thank you for my order, and this one called what? Happy Mail. So let's see. I think this is also free samples. Then I got also 3D foam strips. So I got this stencil. This one called Brick Stencil. Then I got snowflake border, scalloped border, scallop fringe border. I got cactus border, so cute. I got a butterfly window add-on, stitched bookmark, and see, and this one called book something. I hope it's here. Book collection die. So this is everything I ordered, and this is everything I got in my grab bag. Let me know if you order the grab bag and you have the same, stamps and dies, or you get something different. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.